I would like say something about the topic, the anti-discrimination movement 2024 in Bangladesh. Do you know?
Yes.
The movement proved a united voice is the most powerful force. The anti-discrimination movement 2024 in Bangladesh emerged as a powerful social response against various inequality, including gender, religions, disability, and minority rights. This movement was largely driven by youth activities, civil society organization, and marginalized community demanding justice, equality, and legal reforms. Do you know? Have a famous slogan, as long as discrimination exists, our struggle continue. One of the key sparked that incident, the movement was a viral video showing discriminatory behavior towards ethnic minority rights, educational institutions. Protests quickly spread cities and universities, then calling for fair representation, anti-discrimination policies, and then movement awareness. Do you know, this movement used social media effectively to raise awareness and together support. And then hashtag like Equal Bangladesh, Not to Discrimination became symbol of unity. Influencers, journalists, even celebrated stood their solidarity. After that, as a result, the government organized a special committee to review current laws and recommend the policies movement. Educational institutions also introduced the anti-discrimination workshops. In conclusion, the anti-discrimination movement 2024 in Bangladesh is a landmark for fight for equality and raise awareness and then create for organized, peaceful society. So today our race voice, today's our movement, today's our fight is create for awareness Bangladesh, equal Bangladesh, and organized, peaceful Bangladesh for future generation. Thank you for everybody for listening patiently. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.